I bought this wetsuit 6 years ago in a fit of inspiration in lockdown, and I've used it a sum total of once. So today I'm going to go for a longer swim in a river here in the UK. I'm a reasonably confident swimmer, but I don't swim any great distance. So hopefully this isn't going to turn into a complete disaster. Let's see how I get on. After 6 years, is this thing going to fit? I've managed to squeeze the bottom half on. Let's see if I can get the top half on. Oh, this is not easy. Oh. Maybe I should have practiced this before I left the house. Many minutes later. Nope, still not going to work.
I can't do it. There you go.
I'm in. Success. That's the first stage of the operation. I'm actually in the damn thing. People might ask, why am I doing this at 55 years old? Well, the answer is, I'm not really prepared to accept the ageing process. I think we need to get out there and challenge ourselves. I'm not going to give up just because I'm 55. Well, I'm in the river, and I've decided that the safest course of action, and the most sensible, which is unusual for me, to be honest, but the safest thing to do is to swim upstream against the current. And then when I get knackered, not if I get knackered, which will probably be after about 10 minutes, I can turn around and drift back down with the current. In the distance is one of my main concerns for this swim, a couple of bloody great swans. I'm not entirely sure what I would do if they decided that they'd taken offence at me being in their river. I think I'll give them a wide berth. Yep, nothing to see here, Mr. and Mrs. Swan. Just some old bloke in the river. Yes, don't look at me like that. Just swimming past. Nothing to worry about. I'll just get past you. Not doing anything to upset you. And yep, I seem to have escaped swan attack. As well as attack by killer swans, one of my other concerns is my level of fitness. As I said when I was getting into the wetsuit, I'm a confident swimmer, but I never really swim distance, and I'm not entirely sure how deep the river is in this part here. But I think worst case scenario, if I get too tired, I can always just swim to the bank, haul myself out and walk back. I don't have to risk swimming all the way back. I must admit, with all the changes that are going on at the moment in my life, I've been giving a lot of thought to the fact that I've probably got more time behind me now than I have in front of me. But I'll be perfectly honest with you, it doesn't depress me. It just inspires me to get out there and make the most of the time that I've got left. Oh, time for a rest. Oh, I'm at a puff. I might just have to drift back down. Well, based on my experience so far, my advice would be, don't think about things, just get out there and do them. Don't know what you might be missing. Oh, I've turned round. I think I found my limit. Oh, I'm just going to drift back on the current like a piece of gigantic black and orange driftwood. Having got my breath back and recovered a little bit, I decided that I should really start swimming again, as that was actually the original plan, to get some exercise instead of just lazing about on the river. Morning, mate.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good. How far are you going?
I think I swam about half a mile up from the bridge
Oh, brilliant.
and now heading back.
Are you going back?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
How far are you guys going?
Don't know. Just plodding.
It's our first
really.
time on the river here, so...
Is it? All right, okay.
Yeah. I'm from, well, I swim at Felix Day,
Okay,
and it's only 11 there at the moment.
okay, yeah, I was in the sea at Walcott this morning and we thought the sea was probably about 10 degrees. The river's
Yeah.
normally a little bit cooler,
Yeah.
but I mean, I swam without a wetsuit this morning and no, we stayed in about 10 minutes. But I mean, you can keep going for ages with a wetsuit on in this sort of
Yeah.
temperature.
Yeah.
But
Oh, lovely.
okay,
I'm very jealous of swimming. I am in the water at every opportunity.
yeah,
but
yeah.
yeah, it's lovely.
So do you swim all year round then? In
Yeah.
the sea, in the river, yeah?
Yeah.
Take care, have a good day.
Enjoy.
That little moment there of shared experience with a couple of complete strangers, lovely people. I wouldn't have met them, I wouldn't have had that moment of human contact if I hadn't have been here today, getting out of my comfort zone and trying something different. I love moments like that. Starting to get busy now, there's some more paddle boarders ahead. Did you nearly just walk in the river? It's my friends the swans. Yeah, don't worry, I'm giving Mr. and Mrs. Swan a very wide berth. Morning. Hi, how are you? Yeah, it's glorious. Yeah, it's lovely. Good day for it.
Yeah.
Well, was this worth doing? Was it worth getting out of my comfort zone to do this? Absolutely. I've had a great swim. I'd encourage you. Try something different. Age is just a number. Get out there, do the things you want to do. So whoever you are, wherever you are, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye.